I'm repairing the front end of my 2015 Equinox. Purchased this bumper here. I would definitely recommend it. This is solid steel, heavy, just like the old one. Feels just like the original. An interesting thing, these have the replacement pieces here that are welded onto your frame. So if your pieces are really bent up and aren't going to work, you can cut them off with a grinder and then weld on this new one here, because they come included with the bumper and the bolts. So you get the bolts as well. This is made in Taiwan. It's pretty good quality, you can tell. You know, typically things out of Taiwan are pretty well made. Compared to my original, it's just about the same weight. My original one got banged up pretty good when this car hit a trailer hitch on the car in front of it. And this thing took all the force. Well, the new replacement is going to work out just fine. Going to put it right into those bolts there, bolt it up, and we'll be ready to go. Definitely would recommend this particular part if you're going to do a restoration job on a Equinox where you have front end damage. Can't go wrong. The price was right, and the quality on this thing is just what I was hoping for. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information is useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.